say this because the media have been asking if at all we are going to come up with any amendments. The answer is that a lot has been said about this finance bill, and the public has overwhelmingly rejected it. And in our view, this bill is flawed beyond redemption. So we are going to reject it in total. We are not going to propose any amendment to it. As Azimio, we have said time and again that there is still time to withdraw this bill and bring it back in a form that is responsive to the plight of the people, in a form that is acceptable. But our plea has fallen on deaf ears so far. So if this bill finds its way to the floor of the House in its current form, we are not going to make any attempt to propose any amendments to it. We shall be moving to reject it in total. And in any case, there has been the argument that if the bill is rejected, what will happen? Nothing will happen. Life will continue. Because as we speak, there is a Finance Act 2022, which is in place. If you reject this one, it will continue to work. And therefore, the notion that the matter of this Finance Bill 2023 is a matter of life and death is not true. It is simply a mere bill, which we have said is flawed, is not acceptable, is overburdening Kenyans who are already on their knees, and therefore the only logical thing to do is to withdraw it. And therefore, with those few remarks, let me invite the Sheikh Juma Ngao. Yes, as he comes, I've got an apology, of course, from the Honorable Wamalwa, Honorable Eugene Wamalwa, the leader of the DAP Kenya, who was elsewhere, though he's on his way, but he may come late. Thank you. Karibu Sheikh Juma Ngao. Yes. And you pray.